How to use Substack. Whether you are a writer, blogger, or content creator, Substack is an excellent platform to share your work and build an audience. Let's walk through how to get started. First, head over to Substack website. Now click sign up. You'll create an account using your email. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After that, you'll pick your interest and Substack will recommend writers and publications to follow. Once you're done, you can subscribe to free newsletters or explore paid plans. Next, personalize your profile. For that, you want to upload a photo. Choose a handle and fill out your bio. You can skip some of the prompts, but make sure to customize your profile to engage with the community. Now let's explore the homepage. You'll see a menu bar with different niches like technology, culture, and business. You can create your own post or check out popular ones in leaderboard. For example, you might subscribe to a newsletter about fashion and beauty and even interact with the community through chats and comments. Finally, if you're feeling creative, you can become a writer on Substack. Share your own content, build a following, and even monetize your posts. Substack offers a variety of subscription plans for both readers and creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.